She quoted dash Rabindranath. The right answer is option B, from. Explanation. Quoted from is used when referencing specific words or writings of someone, indicating the source of the quote. The knife ran dash the body. The right answer is option A, into. Explanation. Into indicates entry or penetration without implying full passes through. She walked dash the window. The right answer is option B, to. Explanation. To indicates movement towards a specific destination. The child is saved dash the fire. The right answer is option D, from. Explanation. From indicates protection, showing the source of danger that the child is saved. Delhi is dash the north of India. The right answer is option B, in. Explanation. In indicates location, showing that Delhi is situated within the northern region of India. He died dash high fever. The right answer is option D, of. Explanation. Of indicates the cause, showing high fever was the reason for his death. I prefer walking dash cycling. The right answer is option C, to. Explanation. To express preference indicating walking is favored over cycling in this context. We went out dash the rain. The right answer is option D, in. Explanation. In indicates being surrounded or experiencing rain while going outside. Light comes dash the sun. The right answer is option A, from. Explanation. From indicates the source, showing that the sun is the origin of the light. Sent the letter dash the post. The right answer is option C, by. Explanation. By indicates the method used, showing that the letter was sent using postal service. I walked 10 miles dash a stretch. The right answer is option C, in. Explanation. In shows continuous action, indicating walking 10 miles without breaks. She is displaced dash me. The right answer is option B, with. Explanation. With indicates the person causing displeasure, showing her discontent towards me. Fortune smiled dash him. The right answer is option A, on. Explanation: on indicates favor or blessing, showing that fortune is directed toward him. She is weak dash history. The right answer is option D, in. Explanation: in indicates a lack of strength or knowledge regarding the subject of history. He started dash England. The right answer is option B, for. Explanation: for indicates the destination, showing that he began his journey towards England. I sold my watch dash rupees 500. The right answer is option D, for. Explanation: for indicates the price, showing the amount received in exchange for the watch. He came here dash the morning. The right answer is option C, in. Explanation: in specifies the time period, indicating that the arrival during the morning's hours. The cow leaves dash grass. The right answer is option A, on. Explanation: on indicates the primary food source, showing that the cow primarily consumes grass. Sri Lanka is dash the south of India. The right answer is option B, 2. Explanation: 2 indicates relative locations, showing that Sri Lanka is positioned south of India. He began the work dash yesterday. The right answer is option B, on. Explanation: on specifies the day, indicating when he started the work yesterday. He was beaten dash death. The right answer is option A, 2. Explanation: 2 indicates extent, meaning the beating resulted in death as the final outcome. He is dash the committee. The right answer is option A, on. Explanation: on indicates membership, showing that he is part of the committee. He soared dash heaven. The right answer is option D, by. Explanation: by indicates reliance, showing he invoked heaven as a witness or authority in his oath. Farmer's work dash day. The right answer is option C, by. Explanation: by indicates time, meaning farmers work during the day rather than at night. I have been here dash a week. The right answer is option C, for. Explanation: for indicates duration, showing that the speaker has been present for 1 week. You were dash liberty to do it. The right answer is option A, at. Explanation: at indicates permission or freedom, meaning you are allowed to do it. He passed dash a scholar. The right answer is option B, for. Explanation: for indicates acceptance or perception, meaning he is regarded as a scholar by others. I heard it dash the radio. The right answer is option B, on. Explanation: on indicates the medium used, showing that the information was received via radio. He is dash the army. The right answer is option C, in. Explanation: in indicates membership, showing that he is a part of the army. He threw a ball dash the cat. The right answer is option B, at. Explanation: at indicates direction, showing the ball was aimed toward the cat when thrown.